I know you're the one who control my brain. Now my dad called me Lutang. Ha? You know, Paulo Cruzada, you are a terrorist wannabe. You and Jean Asedio, even Jeffrey Asedio, including Jim Macasandil, the uncle of Paula Colin Nunez. I know I tried to accuse all of you. All of you are sympathizing with ISIS. All of you are supporting ISIS. At least, just like I said before, that you remember that ISIS is a terrorist organization. I do not support ISIS. I do not idolize that what is that, Islamic State of Iraq and Syria, that we discussed that with teacher May Tiburcio during the time of Marawi siege. I do not idolize at ISIS. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I know you are Lutang. I know my brain was turned into a schizophrenia because of you. I know, right? Because me, I have a schizophrenia because of what you are threatening. You are calling us you're threatening me. You are attacking me. You know, if it is not you, why did you attack Sir Calvin Cuevas? That was the husband of teacher Jessa Fernandez. I do not mention. Don't you even know that Sir Calvin Cuevas can do wrestling and Muay Thai? He can beaten you, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Sir Calvin Cuevas, he has a collection of airsoft gun. He can shoot you a pellet gun. At least Sir Calvin Cuevas is just like Kuya Mike Labitag. He has a collection of airsoft gun. He will shoot you a pellet gun. You know, Paulo Cruzada, do not scare anyone to support your terrorism. Even Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, G. Macasandil, who control my brain. And you know, G. Macasandil, you're a fake uncle of Paula Nunez. You're not a relative of Paula. Why are you threatening why did you threatening to say what is that in Tagalog? Sabugin ko ang Davao City at Metro Manila. Why are you threatening anyone? What if the people of Davao City, if they say to you, if you are persona non grata, G. Macasandil, you know what, G. Macasandil, that ISIS, what you're saying, it's a radical Wahhabist and Salafist terrorist group. It's a Salafist. If you remember that the word ISIS, it's a radical. I'm not promoting terrorism, G. Macasandil. I know all of you are promoting terrorism, such as Teacher Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, G. Macasandil, and Paulo Cruzada. All of you are promoting terrorism, and all of you are recruiting Wawel Romero to join ISIS. Excuse me, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and G. Macasandil, the fake uncle of Paula Colin Nunez. Wawel Romero, she's not a Sunni Muslim. She's not a Salafist. She's not Wahhabist. Wawel Romero, she is a born-again Christian. Christians are friends to Shia Muslim. Alright? We are all friends. Wawel Romero is just like Paula Colin Nunez. She's a born-again Christian. She's not a Muslim. How would you ever that Wawel Romero is a Muslim? Did she ever wear a hijab? Did she ever celebrate Ramadan? Did she ever eat did she never eat pork? Oh, Wawel is a Christian. Wawel is a born-again Christian. Wawel Romero is my close schoolmate. She is my friend. She is my good friend. Magkilala kami ni Wawel. I know what you're saying. It is not really true. I'm just gonna say it's all fake news. It's all fake news. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jim Macasandil, four of you, stop promoting terrorism. You see what happened in the Bondi Beach about Sajid Nakram and Navid Akram. You know what happened to Sajid Nakram? He was killed by Australian police. And the Australian police arrest Navid Akram in the Bondi Beach mass shooting incident in Australia, killing thousands of Australians who were Jewish. They are not Israelis. And as you can see, you know that ISIS are the enemy of the world. You know that. Have you heard about Carl Magnobilus had said about the George W. Bush, the U.S. invasion of Iraq? Oh, when the U.S. Marines had killed ISIS, what did they do? They killed ISIS. You know that. I'm not promoting terrorism. I'm not promoting any kind of terrorism in social media. As I was told by Royland Marlang, as I was told by Kawali Coronel, we have anti-terror law, which was signed by Rodrigo Duterte. We have anti-terror law. Oh, you know that. And we have anti-bomb joke law, presidential decree 1727. Oh, we have part of the law. We do not promote terrorism. We do not promote bomb jokes. I am saying again, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jim Macasandil. Four of you, stop promoting terrorism. You know, Paulo Cruzada, what if you're going to be in mental hospital? As I was told by Joseph Maspinas, what if you're going to be in mental hospital? I know you're a special child, you will be in mental hospital. What if, for example, I have, you know, what if, for example, Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, what if both of you are going to be in prison? If your son, Kyle Asejo, was still there, or if Kyle Asejo says, if they visited in prison cell, or if they detain in Camp Karingal in Quezon City, or if they detain in Bulacan, in San Jose del Monte prison cell, oh, what will be happen? Oh, if Kyle Asejo was there, if Kyle Asejo says, what does he said? Oh, mama, bakit ka nakulong? Oh, what did you just do? Ano ba nang ginawa ninyo? Oh, what they said, oh, you know, they spreaded the bomb joke. They promoted terrorism in social media, in Messenger and Facebook. and then they saying about ISIS. Oh, that is all of your consequence. What if you, Jim Macasandil, if you're detained in Camp Caringal? Oh, if Paula Colin Nunez says, Tito, bakit mo ginawa mo? Oh, you know, what you are saying, you're not promoting terrorism. You're promoting terrorism. You're promoting the word ISIS. You 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 saying that sa Bukidnon, Davao City at Metro Manila, that is a terrorism. You know that. And you know, Paulo Cruzada, what if your mother have saying to you, why are you in the mental hospital? Oh, because I know you're in the mental hospital, you're making a bomb joke and bomb threats, and you're making a cyberbullying at Jerick Silva's friend, Joseph Maspinas, that you're threatening him, you're threatening his life, and you're saying about a bomb joke or bomb threat, and you're saying about sa Bukidnon, Davao City at Metro Manila, which is not really true. Oh, and you make scared at Joseph Maspinas. Don't all of you know that ISIS is a radical and Wahhabis and Salafist terrorist? You know, I studied there in Malaysia, in special education school. In Malaysia, it's a school for autism. I studied there in Islamic special education school in Malaysia. I study in Shia Islam, in Arabic. Oh, you know, in Malaysia we have Arabic, or even Malayu. Oh, they said that Salafis and Wahhabism are ideology of ISIS. Oh, they are Sunnis. Oh, you know that they are radical. And for example, when I was in Iran, I studied a special education school in Shia, in Islamic Revolutionary School of Special Education School in Iran, in autism. I know that ISIS is the enemy of the Shia Muslim in Iran. Oh, and you don't know what is that ISIS or Islamic State of Iraq? Oh, that's an enemy. And for example, when I was in the time, or in my whole opinion, or I'm just saying that ISIS is a radical. Do not idolize a terrorism. You know that. All of you know that. I said terrorism is radical. Oh, you know that. I mean, I'm fighting against terrorism. I do not promote terrorism in social media. Oh, even in Messenger and Facebook. Oh, thanks to Denzel Joshua and Roylan Marlang for advising me. Oh, I am not promoting terrorists. When I say to Roylan Marlang, sabi sa akin ni Roylan, wag ka mag-promote ng mga kung ano-ano mga terorismo. Oh, when he said to me, do not promote. Oh, yeah, at least I listened to Roylan. I know I failed to listen to Roylan. I promote terrorism. Now I listen to him. Thanks to Denzel Joshua. That was his representative of Roylan Marlang when he said to me, Denzel Joshua says to me, you should not promote terrorism. You should better what you're doing. It is not right. Oh, at least I listened to Denzel. Oh, I am not promoting terrorism. Oh, you know, this is a huge slap for all of you. Roylan Marlang was very angry at all of you. Just because you, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and G. Macasandil, the fake uncle of Paula Nunez. All of you are promoting terrorism. Oh, you know that, four of you. I know there was my friend there, Paula Colin Nunez, and her mother, Tita Sita, are watching in this video. Oh, they are telling to you, Jim Macasandil, if you promote terrorism, you will be imprisoned. Well, you know what does Mr. Dennis Gill says? Terrorism is not really knowledge, and it's not a knowledge. Oh, it's not a good attitude. Oh, I'm not saying. Oh, I've never say terrorism. You know that. Just like me, when I train in Singaporean Army in Special Operation Forces, and I was there in Singapore in 2010. I trained in the Singaporean Army Special Operation Forces. When I joined in war in Afghanistan with Joshua Arroyo to fight against terrorism. I fight against Al-Qaeda, who were Salafist. Oh. I fight against Al-Qaeda because before the ISIS was rising, I fight against terrorism. I kill, for example, Al-Qaeda, who were terrorist group. When I was in United States, I joined in U.S. Marines. I was trained by Anya Suyuki in the U.S. Navy SEALs and the U.S. Army Delta Force and the U.S. Marine Corps Force Recon. I fight against ISIS when I was there in Iraq to 2010 before the U.S. troops withdrawal in 2011. I fight against ISIS or Islamic State of Iraq. I fight against terrorists. I do a close quarter combat. And since 2010 until 2011, when I was 13 years old, when I joined the Singaporean Army when I was 12 years old, when I joined the U.S. Navy SEALs, U.S. Marine Corps, and U.S. Army Delta Force, when I was 13 years old until I was 14. When I became 14 and when I was 15 until 2012. And since 2013, I joined in the Russian Spetsnaz. I trained by Tito Mac. I was deployed in Syria. I was helped by Tomas Grigori Ferrer with the Iranian Quds Force, who were loyalty to Ali Khamenei. And now I was loyalty to Tito Mac and Vladimir Putin. And now I was joined the Russian army in Russian Spetsnaz. I was helped by Tomas Grigori Ferrer, the Iranian Quds Force, with the help of the Syrian army, Justin Bagau, who's loyalty to Bashar al-Assad. I fight against ISIS. I kill ISIS with a sniper rifle. I brutal all ISIS. I killed them. I shot them in the head. What did I do? I killed them. I headshot it. I used a sniper rifle. I killed the ISIS. Headshot. One shot, one kill. That's what I do. Close quarter combat in counter-terrorism. When I joined in the Iranian Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps in the Quds Force, where I was trained by Jessica Lane, I trained in Iranian Quds Force to deploy in Iraq to fight against the Salafists, to fight against ISIS. I kill ISIS, I brutal ISIS. Just like I said, I brutal them. I do not promote terrorism just to know Paulo Cruzada, Jima Casandil, Gina Asedio, and Jeffrey Asedio. All of you, stop promoting terrorism. I am very angry at promoting terrorism in social media like Messenger and Facebook. Now all of you see that Roylan Marlang was very angry. Oh, he is very angry. Not even Roylan Marlang. Denzel Joshua is very angry. And including everyone are angry. Teacher Marisa is very angry at Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio. Even Paula Colin Nunez was very angry at Jima Casandil. Even at her mother, Tita Sita. Not even just that. Everyone are angry. Even Lawrence Villawan was very angry at Paulo Cruzada, Jima Casandil, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio. That is not really good to promote terrorism. Oh, I'm not promoting terrorism. Kathleen Canete was very angry at you, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Jima Casandil, even Ate Charmaine Aloyan. They are very angry just because they don't like terrorism. Just like I promised to my mom, I never promote terrorism. Just like I do not be happen to David Gill and his family what I made a fake account of Larry Chuanico that I promote the terrorism. This could not be happen at last 3 years ago. And I am warning to Paulo Cruzada, Jima Casandil, and Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, stop promoting terrorism.